of amounts, and I'm going to be doing this the non-calculator way. Question 1, calculate 80% of 30. The first way I'm going to do is calculate 10% of 30, which is equal to 3. Then to get my 10% to become 80%, I would need to times that by 8. So I'm going to do the same with the 3 and times it by 8. 8, 16, 24. Therefore my answer is 24. Question 2. A bag of sugar contains 420 grams. A special offer packet contains an extra 15%. Work out how much extra sugar is in the special offer packet. So what I'm going to do here is find 10%. 10% of 420, divide 420 by 10, it gives me 42 grams. And then the second one I'm going to do is find 5% because I need 15% in total, and I know 10 plus 5 gives me that 15%. If I can find 10% is 42, 5% is half of that, which would be 21 grams. Therefore, to find my 15%, all I need to do is add up the numbers above. 42 and 21 gives me 63, so my answer is 63 grams. Be careful when reading these questions, it's asked how much extra was in there, not the new total amount. So the answer is 63 grams. Question 3, a new car is priced at £7,500. In a sale, it was reduced by 20%. Calculate the reduction in price. First thing I'm going to do is find 10%. 10% of £7,500 is that divided by 10, which is £750. Therefore, to find 20%, I'm going to just times that by 2, which gives me £1,500. Therefore, the reduction in price is £1,500. The next question I've got here, 3% of $600. Well, 1% is 600 divided by 100, which gives me $6. Therefore, 3% is equal to 3 times that, which gives me $18. Therefore, 3% of $600 is $18. Question 5, Mary wins £400. She gives 50% to her mother. Mary gives 20% to her sister, and she keeps the rest. Work out how much each person receives. 50% of 400 is equal to half of 400, so we know that is 200. 20% of 400, well, 10% is equal to £40. Therefore, 20% would be equal to £80. 200 plus 80 is 280. 400, take away 280, leaves Mary with £120 left. Last question I'm going to do. Barry's salary is £14,000 and he's due to get an increase of 5%. Calculate how much this increase will be. The first thing I'm going to do is take my £14,000 and I'm going to find 10%. 10% is equal to that divided by 10, which gives me £1,400. Therefore, 5% will be half of that amount, which will give me £700. Barry is due an increase of £700.